students, welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video I am explaining the circles MCET problems and this is the video number 4. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MCET examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay. And in the description I am giving the link of the practice problems of the circles chapter PDF. So all of you, after watching the video, once open the description, see the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important. Now let us start the class. This is sum number 25. The question is the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 6y plus k is equal to 0. One circle is given here. One circle is given. If the power of the point 2, 1 with respect to the circle is positive, then what is the k value? If the power of the point 2, 1 with respect to the given circle is positive, then what is k value? Okay. So power greater than 0, power positive, that is given that S11 greater than 0. What is S11? Substituting the given point in the circle equation. Okay, that is 2 into x square is equal to 4. 2 into y square is equal to 1. Minus 8 into 2 is equal to minus 16 minus 6 plus k greater than 0. That is 10 minus 22 plus k greater than 0 means minus 12 plus k greater than 0. Therefore, the value of k greater than 12, that is the last option. Next question, sum number 26. The power of the point 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 is the radius and 3 comma 2 is the center of the circle. Then what is the equation of the circle? Okay. So here given that 3 comma 2 is the center of the circle, we want the circle equation. We want the circle equation, center is given, and what is given? Radius is equal to power of this point with respect to the circle, that is r is equal to S11, power of the point with respect to the circle. What is S11 value here? Replacing this point, that is 1 plus 4 minus 1. Therefore S11 radius value is equal to 4. Now we want the equation of the circle with center is equal to 3 comma 2 and radius is equal to 4. Okay. Now what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is that x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 13 minus 16 is equal to 0. That is minus 3 is equal to 0. And that is the first option. That's all. The next question. If the circle x square plus y square minus 7x minus 8y plus c is equal to 0 makes an intercept of length 1 unit on the x-axis, then what is the intercept made by the circle on the y-axis? Okay, understand. What is given? The intercept of length 1 unit on the x-axis, that is x-intercept is given. What is given? X-intercept is equals to 1. What we want? What is the length of the y-intercept? So this is the given question. X-intercept is given, we want the y-intercept value. What is the x-intercept formula? 2 root g square minus c. Given that 2 root g square minus c is equal to 1. Okay, that is 2 root. What is g value? G is equal to minus 7 by 2. That is g square is equal to 49 by 4. Minus c is equals to 1. C is equal to c here, g is equal to minus 7 by 2. That is 49 by 4 minus c is equals to 1 by 2. Now squaring on both sides. Then 49 by 4 minus c is equal to 1 by 4. Then what is c value? 49 minus 1, 48 by 4, and that is equals to 12. Okay, c value is equals to 12. Now what we want? Y-intercept. What is the Y-intercept formula? 2 root f square minus c. That is 2 root, what is f value? Minus 4. F square is equal to 16. 16 minus c value is equal to 12. Already here we get that c is equals to 12. That is this is equals to 2 root 4. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore y-intercept is equal to 4 and that is the fourth option. That's all. X-intercept is given, we want the y-intercept, that is the given question. C value not given here, so first we have to find the c value and replacing that value in the formula to get the y-intercept. That's all. Next question, sum number 28. If the lines represented by 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 6x minus 9y is equals to 1 are two tangents to the circle, then its area is equals to. So given that the equation represents the two tangents which are the tangents to the given circle. Since this is the pair of straight line, it represents two lines. Given that the two lines are tangents to the given circle, then what is its area value? We want the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle formula? Pi r square. That is, we want the r value first. Okay. That is, by using the lines first we have to find the r value. Now how to take the r value? Here r is nothing but the distance between the two parallel lines is nothing but the diameter, that is equals to 2r. Okay. So first I am taking the distance between the two parallel lines. What is the formula here? 2 root g square minus ac by a into a plus b. This is equals to 2r. Okay. 2r is equal to this value. Therefore, 2r is equal to distance between them. Therefore, r is equal to square root of g square. G is equal to minus 3. G square is equal to 9. AC. C is equal to minus 1 here. Minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 into minus 1 plus 4 by a into a plus b. 4 into 13. Okay. A is equal to 4. A plus b is equal to 13. Therefore, r is equal to 1 by 2. Root 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, area is equal to pi r square. Pi into 1 by 2 whole square. That is equals to pi into 1 by 4. But what is pi value? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 1 by 4. Therefore, the answer is equals to, this is 11 times, this is 2 times. So, answer is equal to 11 by 14. That's all. Therefore, area of the circle is 11 by 14. And that is the fourth option. Okay. Next question, sum number 29. If the angle between the tangent from 0, 0 to the circle x square plus y square plus 10x plus 10y plus 40 is equal to 0 is tan inverse of m, then what is m value? So given that angle between the tangents is equal to m, now we want the m value. Okay. So theta is equal to tan inverse of m, means what is m value? M is equal to tan theta. That is, to find the m value, it is enough to find the tan theta value. Okay. What is the given question? We want the m value. But what is m here from the given data? M is equal to tan theta. That is, we want the tan theta value. That is the given question. Okay. So, given that theta is the angle between the tangents drawn from 0, 0 to the circles. Theta is the angle between the tangents drawn from 0, 0 to the circle. That is, suppose this value is equal to theta, then what is the formula? Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Okay, this is the formula. Now, what is r value? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is 25 plus 25 minus 40. Therefore, r is equal to root 10. Okay, that is tan theta by 2 is equals to r value root 10 and root s11 value. Substituting 0, 0 point here, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 40 means this is root 40, which is equals to root 10 by 2 root 10. Therefore, the value of tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. But what we want? We want the value of the tan theta, but here we have the tan theta by 2. Now, what is the relation between tan theta and tan theta by 2? Tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay, this is the relation between them. Now, replacing the values in this formula, that is 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So, answer is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. But what is tan theta? That is equals to m. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 4 by 3. That's all. And that is the fourth option. Okay. Next question, sum number 30. If the line hx plus ky is equal to 1 by a touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, then locus of h comma k is a circle of radius is equal to. So here given that one line is given, the line is hx plus ky is equal to 1 by a, and one circle is given, the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. And what is the given condition? The line touches the circle. What is the condition for tangency? If the line touches the circle, then the condition is r is equal to d. Okay. Now, what is r value? What is the radius of the circle? That is equals to e. And what is d value? D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. What is the center here? 0, 0. Okay. Now what is the perpendicular distance formula from the 0 comma 0 means we take the value mod c by square root of a square plus b square. We take the value mod c by root over a square plus b square. But what is c value? Minus 1 by a. Writing this value to this side. Okay. Minus 1 by a by square root of a square plus b square. That is h square plus k square. Now taking the cross product, then we get square root of h square plus k square is equal to 1 by a. That is 1 by a square. Now squaring on both sides, then we get h square plus k square is equal to 1 by a square whole square. Now what is locus of h comma k? Just I take that h is equals to x and y is equal to k. So this is locus equation. Okay. That is locus is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 1 by a square whole square. Now clearly this is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square, where r is equal to 1 by a square. Therefore locus of h comma k is equals to circle with radius is equal to 1 by a square. Okay. R square is equal to 1 by a square whole square. Then r is equal to 1 by e. R is equal to 1 by a square. Therefore this is the equation of the circle with radius is equal to 1 by a square, and that is the last option. That's all. Very easy. Just applying the condition for tangency to get the required answer, since given that the line is the tangent to the given circle. That's all.